If you have stomach issues, especially if you have one disease that is called Crohn's disease, I'm gonna help you a lot with one special drink that is perfectly for these specific problems. Crohn's disease is a chronic inflammatory bowel disease that causes inflammation of the digestive tract. The inflammation can affect any part of digestive tract, from the mouth to the anus, but is mostly commonly affect the lower part of the small intestine, the ileum, or the upper part of the large intestine, the colon. Symptoms of Crohn's disease can vary depending on the severity on inflammation and the part of the digestive tract that is affected. Commonly symptoms include abdominal pain and cramping, diarrhea, which may be bloody, fatigue, weight loss, fever, nausea and vomiting. Loss of appetite, rectal bleeding, there are symptoms of Crohn's disease. This is one of those serious diseases in the bowel, usually in our digestive tract, and my special drink is gonna help you a lot. My special drink is delicious gut-soothing probiotic drink. It's sweet and tangy with little fizz. Water kefir is natural fermented drink packed with living probiotics and enzymes, and additional probiotics are present in the coconut water and the vinegar. Makes 4 serving, 2 to 4 tablespoon coconut water kefir, 1/2 cup of fresh aloe vera gel, 1/2 cup of pineapple juice, juice 1 lemon, 1/2 tablespoon of ground ginger, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar and 1/2 cup of water. Combine the coconut water kefir, aloe vera pineapple juice, lemon juice, ginger vinegar and water in a labeled dated jar. Shake it well. This concoction can be stored in the refrigerator up to 3 days. Drink 1/2 cup each day for maximum benefit. And this is all you need to do. If you have Crohn's disease, this special drink only 1/2 cup each day in the small sips, and you will get better in natural way, because all of these herbs and natural remedies are especially good for the Crohn's disease and any kind of bowel diseases in general. Before we continue with the show, my dear viewers, I want to recommend you my new book that is called Miraculous Natural Remedies Part 1. It's officially on sale in Croatian and English. You can buy the book now through mariolab.hr website. In the book you will learn more about the rich history of the use of plant in healing. You will learn how to grow your own medicinal plants, discover how to properly use natural medicine, with advice on dosage, possible side effects and drug interaction. Miracle, a Natural Remedies Part 1 is an ideal guide to using natural medicine in the fight against the worst diseases of modern world in very natural way. If you want to know a lot more about natural remedies that can help you a lot with your digestive tract, click here on this little window. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.